Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize your content creation with CoSchedule step by step clearly. Start by signing up for a CoSchedule account. Navigate to the CoSchedule dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the layout and features. Begin by selecting the Create a New Project option. Choose the type of content you want to create. Enter your content title in the designated field. Use the content calendar to schedule your publishing date. Select your target audience from the available options. Conduct keyword research using CoSchedule's built-in tools. Incorporate the keywords naturally into your content. Utilize the headline analyzer to craft an engaging title. Assess readability scores to ensure clarity for your audience. Draft your content in the provided editor. Incorporate images, videos, or links to enhance the content value. Use the SEO features to optimize your copy further. Schedule social media promotions within CoSchedule. Create a marketing plan that includes email notifications. Set reminders for content updates and follow-ups. Collaborate with team members using the comments section. Track analytics to measure content performance. Adjust your strategies based on the data provided. Review and refine your content creation process regularly. Utilize CoSchedule's resources for ongoing learning and improvement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.